Hey guys, Jared here, and today I'll be showing you how to do a callout. So basically, this is what a callout will look like. It's basically a section of your building. This is from an old house of mine that I designed. So just kind of to give you an example how to do it, you come over here into the sections, come to this extensions file over here on the left, and you can do this in any 3D view. Click the section box. I already have mine selected. When you click on the box itself around here, make it blue. You can grow and shrink the basically fragments of the house to get it. There it goes loaded, so now you can see the outside of the house with the porch here. And I can do basically any sides. I can bring the front of the house back into view once it loads. There we go. Then I can also go upwards. And of course there's more to the house, but you can also go downwards with the arrows down here. Go up, down, back. Basically every side of the cube here you can do it. Let's let it load. Okay. And there's like almost every piece of drawing, there's multiple ways to do it. Another way that you could do it, and you can basically come to the area of the house you want to. So I have my first floor. Let's say I want to see my stairs, a good view of them. So let's create this callout square. This is under the View tab. Go down here. There you go. I have the stair selected. It should be all within this little part right here. I'm going to go back to my 3D View tab, and I'm going to come over here, hit this little down arrow. I'm going to orient this to view. Let's do to floor plan. Let's see, was my first floor plan. That's second. Here we go. First floor plan call out. And well, there it is from the top. Let's see. And yeah, I can go 3D with it. And same rules apply. I can extend it so I can get the top of the staircase there. And if I want to get a little bit of the back wall too. And yeah, there we go. So that's everything I believe I can show you involving callouts that I know. I'm going to do a shameless plug here for my own YouTube channel, or channels. The links are in the description down below, because you can't stop me. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all next time. Goodbye.